So I've come over to the first garden bed that I ever built to show you a plant that has become integral to pretty much every garden bed I have. It's called the common name trailing fuzzy bean. And this is it. This guy right here. Okay? Let's get the underside of that leaf. It's not a smooth leaf, it's kind of fuzzy to the touch. It's a vine. It creates a bean. There's written accounts of explorers that first came to this area documenting that they've seen Native Americans at the time consuming this as a food source. But I can find no documentation, really showing some definitive science that it's actually safe and for edible human consumption. But it is a vine. It can provide shade. It enriches your soil. It's a nitrogen fixer. And the wildlife love it. And because it's a vine, it doesn't really take up a lot of space in your garden. So I highly advise, if you have it, perhaps maybe give it a free pass. Let it go. Don't pull it out like a weed. And I promise I will come back to this garden bed and eventually tell you everything that's in there, all the little goodies.